All right, so when you're working on a Mac, you can choose whether you want the windows on your display to be nice and large, or you can change the display resolution to basically make everything a little bit smaller, which will allow you to fit more windows on your screen at the same time. You'll see how mine are pretty large right now, but if I wanted to, I could make everything smaller and therefore fit more items and more content on my display at the same time. You know, a good multitasking setup with multiple apps visible side by side, that type of stuff. And to change that, I can go to my system settings first, and then once I'm in the system settings, on the left sidebar here, we're going to click into Displays. Here, you'll see your display. I have the Apple Studio display, but if you're using a different external display or a laptop with the built-in screen, you will see a different display listed here. It doesn't really matter what display you're using. Below that, you see the scaling options here. The default usually is here in the middle, and you'll actually see when I click the default, my resolution changes, scaling everything a little bit smaller, but at the same time allowing me to fit more stuff on my screen. If I went all the way here, you'll see again all the same stuff on the screen, but I have more empty space now, so I could fit more windows on my display without having to constantly jump from one app to another. Or, if you prefer to make all the buttons and menus and applications large, you could do something from the larger text side. You'll see this one makes everything really large. So again, I have all the same windows here, but now they take up a lot more space and I cannot even see them all at the same time. So use these buttons to scale the items on your screen. There's also a cool little trick here. If you hold down the Option key on your keyboard and then click one of these buttons here, you will actually see a list of resolutions that your display supports. So this would allow you to choose a specific resolution and also gives you a few more options to choose from. The smaller the resolution, the larger those windows and on-the-screen elements will look like. And if I take the highest 5K option here, you'll see everything gets pretty tiny, but I still see all the same items on my display. We'll go back to the defaults to make it a little easier to see here, and the Show All Resolutions toggle would give me even more options to choose from. Anyways, that's how you make the apps on your Mac bigger or smaller. Click the like button down there if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.